What makes a bird fickle? Tell me, what makes a bird fickle? Mating choices, signals change, hear the voices. 1 year they hunt for bigger beaks, bigger beaks. Freaky freaks, freaky fickle birds, biscuit boys and girls. Freaky fickle birds, yeah, fickle bird world. Freaky fickle birds, biscuit boys and girls. Freaky fickle birds, fickle bird world. Darker feather plume, body size fills up the room. Preferences shift, wild surprise. Evolution in the sky. Biscuit boys and girls, sweet fickle birds. Here's a breakdown. What makes a bird? Adapt fickle. Adaptability. Change. Chameleon fickle. Chameleon fickle. Shifted. Chameleon fickle birds, freaky fickle biscuit boys and girls. Chameleon fickle. Magical birds. Let the feathers speak.